Hey guys, here's a short video of a new project I'm working on. Actually not new, just rehabbing an old one, trying to solve another problem. So I have 22.5 tires that sort of kind of work, but the problem is getting the tire to slide over the rim, vice versa, smoothly without it being loose or tight. What generally seems to happen, well, what I have to do now is I got to take sandpaper, a round file, and ream out the tire on a lot of them. And then I've got some other ones that I'm going to redo where it's the rim is sloppy in the tire. And some of them I've designed, or at least one set I've designed, and they're loose. And then I've had other people design stuff and it's not perfect either. It's either too tight or sloppy. So I just decided to start from scratch and design something else. So the tire here actually came from a project that I paid a guy in the Netherlands to do, the T370, so that's the tires from them. So this was a single tire, and I made a copy of it, and then you can see here if you zoom in, there's no space in between the tires, and I'm doing, oh I guess there is a little bit, holy cow. We're going to fix that right away. But anyways, the reason to have the tires so close together is so they print as one piece. That way, the part count goes down, there's less room for error on behalf of the printer, and it makes the whole set narrow. For my purpose, I'm needing the sets to be a bit narrower. Zooming out, so here's what typically happens when I'm working on something like this. So, whoops, we're going to slide these together. You can watch me slide them together here. So if we zoom in again, you can see there's no space around them, or at least very little. And hopefully they'll slide together without being too tight. Yeah, if you zoom, you can kind of see right in here. There's a little bit of room, not much. Anyhow, I have another tire that's for combine trailers, which is what this is designed for, is to go on combine trailers and like the Donahue trailer. Anyways, hopefully this will be better than what I've got at the moment. So you can see here, this is just kind of what the process I'm working with here. Now, if I do need to adjust this, I can make this item smaller so it wouldn't be hard to adjust, and we can go down and do it by just minuscule amounts. So you can see here, this is 8 millimeters tall, so if I wanted to make it 7.75, there, we did it there, and then you'd have to do it on this axis as well down here, so you'd have to change it here as well. But so it is easy to adjust. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to put that back there. What I'm going to do now is save these two items in separate files, so that way if I ever want to print these in black, they can print in black. This one will be printed in a high detail plastic, so it's smooth, and hopefully it will slide together easy. That's the goal anyways. Hope you enjoyed it. This is kind of the method to the madness, or at least my madness, and hope you got something out of it. Take care. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Also, subscribe to Diecast Lab. That's the best way you can support my channel and support everything that goes on with Rockin H. I'll lead you by the hand, step by step, with video tutorials, white papers, and other downloads that will teach you everything I know, even how to turn your hobby into a profitable business. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.